Hello, my name's Raman. Hey, I'm going to make a birdhouse for you for my friend Wendy, and it's going to her parents, so hopefully it's going to end up looking a little bit like her parents' house when I get done with this thing. I have no idea what it's going to actually end up looking like, but I did buy the materials today, and I'm going to start this whole process of turning all this and some other stuff over here into a birdhouse for you. And hopefully you're going to like it a lot. I'll put a marine finish on it, and it should last you hopefully a really long time. So let's go ahead and get started. Don't be getting in the show, woman.
I'm in half of the show.
This is Gorilla Glue. It's great for outdoors.
Outdoors?
Yeah, shouldn't come loose.
We're making a show.
Yeah.
Hi. I'm my phone.
Yeah.
Hello.
Oh, crack.
That one, only 2 lines. Are you getting this on film?
Some of it. It's for a friend of mine's mom and dad.
But the first one,
Is this a little better?
yeah, much more better.
Yeah. Every one of these nails, I'll bet you I put
$1,000 in it.
I'll put a few in it. Well, I've done a lot of work today. It is Sunday, like I think the 22nd of June, and I'm just finishing, actually getting around to gluing them up. Been a lot of work today. Like I say, getting all the windows done, cut, holes, and all that stuff. And I'm using what they call a Gorilla Glue, which should last really well outside. It has for other projects I have had, and I think this birdhouse, once I coat it with marine coating, will hopefully last quite a while outside. Okay, put this up first. Well, hello, Wendy's parents. Hey, listen, I've been working on your birdhouse all day Sunday yesterday, which I think was the 23rd of June. Today is Monday. I just spent a couple hours in the office taking care of some work-related stuff. I'm technically on vacation this week, so I thought I'd try and knock out this birdhouse. And so I went ahead and assembled and created all this as of yesterday. Cutting all the little parts, nailing them in here, making the holes for the birdhouses and the individual windows. And it's looking kind of similar to your home. I'm going to hopefully work on getting the rest of it kind of laid out today, and then over the next day or two work on the actual finish of it itself. And then the roof itself, what I've been the metal, and then I'm going to spray it with salt water and set it outside. So that takes usually about a week. I kind of patina it or rust up, so then I can clear coat that and then attach it to this. So it might be another week or two before I actually get it done. But hopefully it's slowly coming together. So a lot of work left to go, and I'll make some more photos so you can actually see that whole process as we do it. So talk to you later. Hi folks, it's Ron. Hey, thanks for letting me make your birdhouse for you. I'm going to call it officially done, and as you see through the video, I had a little help from my grandchildren who were here over the weekend as well, and between all of us we kind of got it done. And my daughter Cassie was just here and mentioned if I didn't put in the red brick in the front of the house here, it wouldn't look the same, and I wasn't going to paint that in, but there you go. I went ahead and painted it in, and I'll clear coat it as well and make sure she's finished and ready to be installed. And to install the birdhouse, what I recommend is you can go out and buy a 1-inch floor flange, galvanized floor flange at Home Depot or Lowe's. Get yourself a 10-foot piece of 1-inch galvanized pipe, and basically with some 5/8 screws, screw the floor flange into the bottom of the birdhouse, you know, kind of in a central point, and so the doors can still open. And then attach the birdhouse to the top of the pole before you put the dig a hole and put the pole in the ground, instead of trying to attach the birdhouse after it's up. And with a bag of quick setting cement, it should set up pretty fast, and you should not have to brace it or anything like that from my experience. So there you go, folks. Hope you enjoy it and you get a lot of useful years out of it. Thanks again, and I really appreciate it. See you.